Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT again, your technology entertainer. Today in this tutorial of Joseph IT, I'll be showing you how to add subtitles on your VLC media player videos. So as you can see, this video has subtitles on it, but when I'm playing this video from my VLC player and from my media files, from my local files, then it shows as follows. And as you can see, there are no subtitles on it. So what I'm going to do to bring subtitles on it, simply follow me. I'm simply copying the URL, then heading to down sub, as you can see, and then pasting the URL and clicking on download. And after clicking that, as you can see, there are so many languages of subtitles. The one that I'm choosing now is English. Okay, I'm going to download it. You can choose the language you want. Okay, and I'm downloading it, and it's being downloaded. So I'm going to open it. So this is the file. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to simply video, then click on subtitle track and open file, and just simply choosing the file from the downloads and this one and open. And now if I play, as you can see, the subtitle is there. Now the whole video there will be subtitles. Okay, and I think that's the simple process of doing so. If you don't know how to add subtitles on VLC media player videos, then you can surely do it to bring that. And I hope you really found this video useful. Please don't forget to like the video, share your experience, and subscribe to the channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.